Hey Tilly. She's trying to steal her sister's Christmas presents. Good morning. Today I have to go to the doctor's for blood tests and it's just routine, have them done every few months. So because we're going to leave the house, we're going to try and get as much done that we're allowed to with essential shops as possible so that we're only doing one trip out the house. We think that might be the most convenient way to do things instead of going out each day to go to different things. So today I have the doctor's, going to go and do that, and then we have we need a couple bits from the range because I'm pretty sure that's still open as an essential shop, and we need a few bits from Pets at Home, dog treats and stuff. So it's all essential. We're not going just because we want to, and we plan this is our like last trip out before Christmas. So we're gonna get as much as we can done today. My sister's here with the dogs, so just me and my mum going out, and then yeah, so I'll film whichever shops we go in. I'm not sure which shops are open. I presume we'll have to do a bit of queuing to go into the shops, and also we'll have our masks and our hand sanitizer. And yeah, so I'll film when we get there. Hello. This one was annoying her mummy, so she's in here with me. You're funny. Don't be sad. Come on, Matt. Let's go for a wee wee. Come on. Let's go for a wee wee. It's taking little Maddie for a wee. She's allowed mini 5-minute walks, so it's okay for her to walk for a wee. Come on then. Should we go back inside? And then she can actually use her ramp, but she has to go from the end. Good girl. Much better. Hello, so I've just been to the doctor's and had my bloods, and my mum is now just gone to the charity shop. She ordered something online, so she's going to go and pick that up, and it's a friend who like works there, so she's gone to pick that up off her. I'm just in the car, it says less people in the shop. We're going to go to B&V, which is a pet shop, and deliver some of our products. So one of our orders that we were getting done was for the shop, so we're going to go and drop that off there, and I'll try and show you the shop if I can and any of our stuff that's in it. Then we need to go to the shopping and do everything else. I used a different foundation and I put loads of powder around my mouth, so when we've got a mask on, that when I take it off, hopefully it won't ruin my face. Not that it really matters, but I just wanted to see if it'd work. And I've got a new foundation on, so if it works I will do a tutorial on what I used. It's a right drizzly horrible day. Oh, and I've got my new coat on. I did actually show this in last week's vlog, but I forgot to put the clip in. So this is my new jacket. It's from Hollister, and it's the cozy biker jacket, and it was supposed to be £70, but if you sign up for their email like Cali Club thing, you get it for 50. So treated myself to this for winter, and it says it's black online, but actually I think it's brown, and it's fluffy and it's cozy and it's got big pockets. So yeah, I've got my new jacket on. That's hilarious.
Some pearls.
And we'll definitely have that for Lulu. And this. There's gift bags. Taking Maddie for our evening wee wee. We've got little ones, got little Maddie. She's gonna go for a wee wee like a good girl. Ducks are in bed. Good girl, Mads. You're gonna have a wee. Got the little ones. Sun setting. Oh, she's gonna do something. Look how dead the pond is. These noodle mats arrived today for what are they like, for absorbing the puppy's wet feet. Yeah. So because they come in wet, and then these will absorb the wetness before we have to dry them. So they're quite good. That is the plan. We just had one small one, so now we've got 2 big ones. We might actually need another one. Come on, Till. In you come. You're the last one. Tilly. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. So whilst we're sat with her, she's going to sit on this bed for a minute, and I'll keep hold of a lead. Oh, we mad. She likes being with everybody.
What are you telling me, babe?
They're asking for the tea.
You've had it?
You've already ate your tea? It's 10 PM now, and I should have probably done an update earlier than this because I had dogs licking my face, but I think my makeup did actually hold up quite well in a mask. It doesn't look great now, obviously, because it's 10 PM. I will do a tutorial on what I did on my face on the channel. It'll either be up before this vlog or after this vlog, because it was requested, so I'll do that. Are you making all the noise? He just wants food all the time. Hello. You're a good boy. Hello. Teddy is 7 now. Aren't you, Ted? He looks quite good for 7. So I didn't show you everything we got at the shops today, but I did upstairs. I got a Christmas bag, and I got some Christmas wrapping paper because I can do most of my shopping online, but wrapping and present bags are ridiculously expensive online. So that's that, and then also got quite a lot of other bits, but most of it I can't show. Now I'm just going to take my makeup off and jump in bed, so I'll put it on sped up so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Bear's favourite spot, under his bench. You handsome boy. Come on in. What are you doing? Ready? What's this? Ready? Go! Get it too! Come on in, sleepyhead. Madeline has got a new blankie, and it's Mickey from her niece Lulu. Didn't you, Maddie? She's very tired this morning. You don't do mornings, do you, Mads? Oh, hello. Little chicken legs. Is that nice? Need to put a blankie on your legs. Look at that. Oh, big stretch. Where's she gone? There she is. Good morning, it is Monday morning and today we've woke up to frost, so I'm just going to show you a little bit of the puppies. They're having the time of their life in the frost. Matilda! Matilda, you crazy? Ready? So it is very cold, but it's actually lovely because the ground is hard and it's not wet for a change because it's frosty. These are starting to get cold. You can tell because little Boo's sat there. Hello, Bear. Are you having a good time? And Matilda's won the sock. And all the little duckies are in here. Even Abby's in there. Look at that. Hello. Little Sebastian. Over here, a few cayugas. And Lucy. And then two little pups. Look at that. The sun's just rising. Beautiful. So Mum and I yesterday went to IKEA for the click and collect service. And it was a nightmare. Mum didn't even get an email to say it was ready. And then she got onto customer service and they said, if you can get to store within 20 minutes, you can have it. If not, you can't.
It's going back on the shelves.
It's going back on the shelves. So, and then she'd have to get a refund and rebuy it all. So we got there in time, luckily. And it was a bit of a stress, but we got it. So she's got 2 new rugs in the hallway. Got a lamp, which I just made. I'll move out your way.
Ignore the state of the place.
Yeah, we're like making everything and then we'll tidy. And then Mum's just made these boxes to go in this unit. There's little Maddie, she's helping me, and Flossie's over there. So I'm making this. And what else did you get, Mum? Is it all on the table? Where'd you put your Christmas stuff?
Christmas stuff's here.
Oh, she's tidied it. So then she also got a tablecloth. This is a tablecloth. Some placemats for Christmas dinner. And these are like rattan balls that light up to go down the Christmas tree table.
Got some curtains, curtain pole.
Oh yeah, I forgot about curtains. So we can't put the curtain pole up yet because like you've got to put it in the wall. But she's bought curtains for here and here, so when my dad comes home, here's the curtains. I'll show you when they're up. Hey Leslie. But yeah, so I'll show you when this is built. Are you helping, sleepyhead? I made it. Right, I'm gonna go and film the geesey geese. Hello. Do you want to play in the tunnel? Hey Seb. Girls. Seb's still walking around the edge. Hello. Matilda, have you told them what's on my mug? Have you? It's Tilly. How cute is that? Are you on my mug? Yeah. Sorry, I'm still in my pyjamas and not had a shower yet. Hello. Oh, what's the matter? That was a very dramatic yawn. Ta-da. Bear, did you build it? Are you Bear the Builder? Bear, Bear. Oh, Boo! Puppies! Hey! She doesn't even want out. Are you coming? Come on. Good girl. So this is where the unit is for, and we're going to put shoes and like dog toys and stuff because we have a lot of stuff. And now I'm going to do the postage on all these orders because I tried to do it yesterday and it wouldn't work, so let's try again. So the office isn't finished, it's bare. Hello, because we're still working, but I've tidied it up a little bit. And then got all orders ready to go. This is the unit in the hallway. And Mum's moved a picture of Flossie up on the wall. So that's really nice. And it's just got like this, internet and keys. And then here's the new lamp. Here's the puppies enjoying one of the new rugs. Aren't you? Basically just a giant dog bed now. And then here's the other rug. Yeah, and then I'll show you the other two because she's wagging her tail. Hello, madam. And here's Missy Miss Maddie. Hello. She's got a new blankie. Is that yours? Is that your toy? Matilda seems to have found another spaniel in the glass. Hello, Tilly. Are you watching out the window? Oh, she's tired. So I was cuddling Tilly, but Booby wanted a cuddle, and you can't turn down a bear cuddle, can you, bear? Oh, he's so sweet. Now I've got Mummy Flossie. Shopping for a plant. Smells nice.
That's quite nice, that terrarium.
Ooh, that's nice. That's nice as well. Is that fake? It's only £6.
Yeah, that is cheap, that.
We need some cards.
Yeah.
I need a grandmom. I've just received this painted plant pot from a seller on Etsy, and I will show you the card. It is Hattie Paints Pots, so if you're interested in supporting a small business this Christmas, and they're all hand painted, how pretty is that? This is the Galaxy one. Yeah, so if you're interested in supporting a small business and getting a gift for somebody for Christmas, it's Hattie Paints Pots on Etsy. Morning, Squirt. Hello. Madeline has stolen her sister's blankie. I think this was Flossie's, even though she has her own blankie. Now she's ignoring me because she knows she stole it. Maddie, did you steal Flossie's blanket? Whose is that blanket that you'll lay on? Is that for Flossie? I think the Mickey one's for you. You cheeky girl. That's Flossie's, Mads. I think that's now Maddie's. Cutie. Maddie, did you steal it? You cheeky. What do you think about her stealing your blanket? You're not happy? You're not happy about her stealing your blanket? Oh, that's what Flossie thinks about it. Hello, Tilly. Tilly's just been groomed, as has Bear, but I'm not sure where he is. Bear! So they've both just had a little trim. Tilly. Pretty girl. Now they've come out for a wee break. It's really cold. What are you doing? Hope you enjoyed this week's vlog, and I'll see you next week. Bye!